Welcome to our channel, Kona Pros. You see right there, we took a tile spacer, we add a little thin set to it, we stuck it into the tile next to the tile that we're going to be installing. Then we measured from that tile to get to the center of our tub faucet valve. Then we marked a center line, and then we also put our spacer on the bottom. Then we pulled up from that and went to the center of the valve. Then we marked that center line, and we got our X, basically our grid. And then we took this 6 3/8 hole saw and we use it as a template, and we just set it on our center mark, and then we scribed that. And then now we're using an angle grinder with a diamond blade. Now you're going to want to practice this a little bit because this isn't easy, but once you get this down and get the hang of it, it starts to, you know, come together pretty quickly. But you might go through 1 or 2 tiles. In this case, it was just 1 tile and we got it done. So after you get your hole cut, then you're going to make sure your spacers are all in the right place, and then you're going to set this tile, which we're going to be doing in a minute. Now remember, when you're doing this technique, you got to watch out for your angle grinder because it can shift the edges, but also keep in mind that the trim to your faucet valve is going to cover that edge of your tiles. So if it does get a little messy and chipped, just make sure your faucet trim will cover that edge, that cut edge around the tile. So we always like to dry fit it first before we add our thin set, just to make sure everything lines up right. And then we go ahead and apply our thin set and apply our spacers, and then we set our tile. Okay, the spacers we're using here are leveling spacers, and they're really great because they help you level the tile from tile to tile. They're really great. So if this video helped you out as far as learning how to set some tile, then remember to subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you everybody. Kona Pro out.